natin yung bewang natin. Ayan, kids. Wiggle, 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 stop. Ayan. So, alam na natin. Mag-out na si Ate Kim ng player. So, pag sinabi ni Ate Kim na group yourself into two, kailangan maghahanap kayo ng kapartner. Ang walang kapartner, ma-out na po siya. Okay ba yun, kids? Okay, ready? Raise your right hands.